Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by choosing the right thread and getting straight to threading the needle. Pick cotton or polyester and match the weight to your fabric. This affects stitch drape and tension. Cut about 18 to 24 inches so you avoid knots but still have enough length. Once done, moisten the tip slightly and push the clean-cut end through the needle eye. Make a small overhand knot in the tail. It secures the thread without bulk and gets you ready to start stitching. You now set tension and begin actual stitches. Place your fabric in a hoop until it feels drum-tight, because consistent tension prevents puckers and keeps stitch length even. Once the hoop is secured, anchor the thread with 2 small back stitches on the reverse. This stops slippage and keeps your design neat. Start your chosen stitch. Use short, controlled push-pull motions and keep a steady hand. Make sure to check the front and back periodically so threads lie flat. That's why tension and anchoring matter. You finish by securing and tidying the thread so your piece lasts. When you reach the end, either tie a tiny knot behind a stitch or weave the tail under several nearby stitches on the reverse. This holds without bulk. Trim the tail to about 1/8 of an inch to prevent catching. If you encounter tangles or knots, don't yank, backtrack a few stitches, smooth the thread, and re-anchor. That prevents holes and uneven tension. Finally, press lightly from the back to set stitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.